Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about navy beans, and I have a list of tips and ideas for you for using navy beans. So if you're looking for some new recipe or meal ideas, or you're new to using dried beans or navy beans, cooked, canned, however, hopefully this list will help you out. Try making a sandwich spread or a dip by blending together some cooked navy beans with your favorite herbs and spices. You could refer to my list of herbs and spices that go with navy beans for a little help on that. Add in a little oil, water, or broth to make it creamy and spreadable, and you're good to go. Mix some cooked navy beans with a little olive oil, sage, and garlic to serve on a bruschetta. Why not add some cooked navy beans to tomato soup? You could stir in some blended beans to give it a rich, creamy texture as well as a nutritional boost. How about combining some navy beans with some cooked roasted buckwheat and sauteed onions and mushrooms for a hearty main dish? Why not use navy beans to make a nutritious white chili? If you want to give a rich umami type flavor to navy beans, you can try adding in some dried mushrooms when you're cooking them. Porcini, cremini, shiitake, and oyster mushrooms would give the most flavor to this dish. Steep the dried mushrooms in boiling water to make a broth. The broth can be used to cook the beans separately or added to a recipe as part of the cooking liquid. Chop the soaked mushrooms and add them to the recipe with the beans. If you don't care for the texture of rehydrated mushrooms, grind the dried mushrooms to a powder and dissolve the powder in the pot of beans or in your recipe liquid. Okay? Why not add some cooked and cooled down navy beans to a vegetable salad? Top the salad with a rosemary vinaigrette dressing. Sounds good. How about adding some navy beans to a casserole for added protein and other nutrients? Try adding navy beans to vegetable bowls. This list was kind of long, so I broke it up into two parts. This is part one. I'll have a link to the part two video below. Make sure you check that out so you can see the entire list. And there's even more on my blog post on this subject, and I'll have a link to that in the description box below as well. Take care. Bye for now.